I'm Lyza from Lyza Learn Adventure. Today I'm drawing up a body, so let's start! Before we start, I have a pencil and an eraser. So let's go get the drawing! So first, draw a neck like this, make it like this tall, and then now we're going to do it this short, and then I'll put a necktie. If you want to make it bigger, just do it like this. So, I'm going to make it a little bit longer, and then now let's go color it black. And then now we're going to do the shoulders. So let's go. Okay, so we need to put like this one, and then I'll put like up, and then now wait, it's a little bit long, but don't worry, I'm going to fix it. And then wait, now I messed up again. I think I need to do like this, like that. And then now we're going to do it like this. And then now we're going to... This is not the seal, okay? So you cannot do it like this. So, and then like this. I think this is a little bit too long, but don't worry, I'm going to fix it. That. And then now we're going to erase the excess. Wait, why is it not erasing? Okay, there. And then I'm just going to fix this one. And now, where are we? Oh yeah, here. So we need to make like this, and I think like that. But don't make it like this, okay? Because it will make it weird. So make it like short. And then go make it a little bit longer. Now next, it's for like, you know, for the next videos. So, that. And then now you know, you have like this one. So let's go put it like this. We messed up that, okay? But don't worry, I'm going to fix it. And then I'll make a little bit longer, and then higher here. And then now we're going to do it the same. Make sure it's like, wait. Make sure it's like this one. Don't worry. So we need to. I really need this one is like that. And then now I think I'm going to make it a little longer. That one. And then now like this. I want to go fix this one. So make it like this. And then now, let's do the next step. So, we're going to make it like this. Wait, that's too long. I don't want to make it long. And then actually, before that, we need to make, like this one. and then we're going to do, I don't know. And then now, so we're going to put some shades later, because we need to make the body. Like that, I think. I don't know. Wait, no, not like that. And then now we're going to do it like this, I think. I think that's a little bit too low, but don't fix it. And we're going to do it like, it's like this. Now we're going to do it like this. And next is the tummy that it's going to be like showed. So here's the tummy, and let's get a belly button. Of course, there's a belly button, and like this. Don't worry, I know what I'm doing. I think not like this size. This size. So we're going to make like this size, so it will be not weird. So it's a little bit weird, but and then now the belly button. Sorry for my cough. I have a cough. So, and then now we're going to do the lines. Don't worry, I'm going to make it like this. And then now like this. And then now we're going to put the shade like that. And then now we're going to I don't know what it's called, but it's with lines, so it will be more beautiful, I guess. So, and then now we're going to put the shade. Oh wait, there's no shade. No, not this one. This one. So, and then now. And then now. And and I can pop that. Like that. So we're going to do the arms. You know the arms that we had? And then now, wait. Like that, okay? And then now we're going to not to do the same like that. So we're going to make it like this. She's going to do it like this, okay? The pose. And then next we're going to do the legs after. And then now this is the elbow. And then, oh wait, it's not like that, okay? And then now you gently do it like this. Make sure there's like that. And then now go like this. I think that looks good. Now, on to the next step is the finishing touch. Oh no, not the finishing touch. We're like almost done. Don't worry. We're going to make the skirt up. Oh my god, the skirt is not easy to make. And then now, this. I think not like that. And we're going to make the hair thing like this, okay? So, I think like I need to make this one longer. And then now, make the top like that, the arm longer, and then now, later you'll see the hands, don't worry. And we're going to do it like this, and then now, to do it like this. I think, no. And then now, like that, okay? And then now, we're not almost done yet, but we'll see. Why does this happen like that? Oh wait, it should be like this. Wait, I think that's too big. We're going to make it like that. I think not like that. We're going to do that later. Wait, I think we'll do this one. And then next, we're going to do it like this. We're going to do like that. Please make sure it's not too big. It's supposed to be small, not big. Like that way. But don't worry, we're almost done because we need to wait until the results, okay? And now we're going to do like this. Wait, let me go fix this. Don't worry. And then we're going to do like this. Oh wait, that's too big. No, it's a little bit thin, okay? Like that. So I know it looks a little bit good, but don't worry. You will see the results when I'm done. It's going to be a little bit bigger. Like that. So, what else? Wait. First I'm going to make that. Like this. Oh wait. So like this. Like that. Wait, I think I need to do it a little bit now. So. We're going to do this. You'll see that I am going to do this. So we're going to make like a line. And then we're going to make a skirt, okay? So, okay. Now this one. I know this will take a long time, but don't worry. You'll see when I'm done, okay? Make like a triangle. It's like a cut, okay? And this this one. We're going to make the laps, okay? Going to make the shape. And then now let's make this one gray. Because it's the leggings. make whatever color you want. So, I think that's a little bit big, but no worries. I have to close it. So, put this one. Come back because the video is a little bit too long, so we will come back for the result of my drawing. Okay? So you will wait. Now it's finally finished. So here's the result. This is a dress of a girl. So I know that I draw good, but it looks very pretty. So I hope you like it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Lyza Learn Adventure. Please support us. Bye-bye.